from the beginning of the design and helping them with the design through building stamping tools and simulation for that stamping tool, to producing the part, to putting the assembly together, to putting the full vehicle together, and all the fixtures that are required from the individual detail fixture to the final assembly fixtures, and then be able to put that together in a quality environment. No one else in our business has. No one else has all of that under one roof. It all happens right here.